friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making air fryer stuffed mushrooms. For this recipe, we need whole button mushrooms. This is 8 ounces of mushrooms. We also need cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper. So first, I'm going to take off the stems from the mushrooms because we only need mushroom caps. And next I'm going to prepare the filling for the stuffed mushrooms. So this is a package of cream cheese. It's 8 ounces. We need half of it, so 4 ounces of cream cheese. So this package actually has a divider on how much to cut, so I just marked it. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And also a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And now I'm going to mix this. Okay, so now I'm done mixing the filling. So at this point, you can try the filling and see if you need to add salt and pepper to taste. Now Parmesan cheese, it's pretty salty, so you might even need it. But what I like to do, I like to sprinkle the mushrooms with salt and pepper directly. So now before adding the filling to the mushrooms, you can sprinkle them with salt and pepper. And try the filling. If you'd like, you could add salt and pepper to taste to the filling. I don't think it's needed in here. So now divide the filling between the mushrooms. So let's see, I have 8 mushrooms. So divide the filling evenly and put filling inside the mushrooms. So now, once you added the filling to the mushrooms, let's put them in the air fryer. So I'm going to take out the basket, put all the stuffed mushrooms in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these stuffed mushrooms. They look amazing. So nicely brown and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at these delicious stuffed mushrooms. It was so easy to make them in the air fryer. You'll love it. It's a perfect, easy appetizer. I'm so excited about trying them. Let me just cut one. Look at that cheese. And mushrooms are perfectly cooked. Cut so easily. Now let's try it. They taste amazing. Perfectly cooked mushrooms with hot cheese that's so nicely brown on top. You're going to love these air fryer stuffed mushrooms. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!